Hello everyone. Today I am here to present the findings of our study, which is a cultural perspective to manage conflicts in cross-cultural project teams, a literature review. The study was done by Miyami Dasandara, myself, Nirushika Rajendran, Senior Lecturer Mrs. Pyumi Disanayaka, and Senior Lecturer Mrs. Aparna Samaravira. This is the presentation outline. When moving to the introduction, construction industry is having different human interactions, and these human interactions are mainly created by the project participants' own cultural backgrounds. Therefore, culture can be identified as an important element which highly affects both the project's overall effectiveness as well as its success. Especially in developing countries, construction activities are heavily influenced by the foreign participation, and as a result, cross-cultural interactions can be highly identified in these construction projects. These cultural differences might create different types of intergroup conflicts among project participants, and these conflicts may have an adverse impact on the project's overall success. Therefore, managing these intergroup conflicts in a successful manner has become a timely requirement today. Managing these conflicts through a cultural perspective can be properly done with the use of different cross-cultural indicators, which will be discussed in a detailed manner in upcoming slides. Accordingly, we developed the research problem as you can see in this slide. Different cultural interactions can be seen in cross-cultural construction projects as I mentioned before, and as a result, intergroup conflicts can occur among the project participants due to these cultural differences. Currently, low level of consideration has given on how these intergroup conflicts can be properly managed through a cultural perspective. Therefore, we developed the research problem as how to manage the intergroup conflicts among project participants in cross-cultural construction projects through a cultural perspective. Accordingly, we developed the research aim as to provide a culture-based solution through a conceptual framework to manage intergroup conflicts in cross-cultural construction projects. When moving to the research methodology, a traditional literature review was conducted to achieve the aim of this study. A comprehensive literal arguments were provided based on the existing literature under the selected topic to answer the research problem. We gathered many information regarding different keywords such as multicultural construction projects, intergroup conflicts, cross-cultural dimensions, and cross-cultural orientations from various sources such as journal articles, conference papers, websites, and other publications. Firstly, let's see what are these cross-cultural construction projects. Presently, with the impact of globalization, foreign participation for the construction activities can be highly evidenced in construction sector all over the world. As a result, individuals from different cultural backgrounds have to work together to achieve the common goals of the construction projects. Therefore, nature of the construction projects has become very complex in this situation due to the combination of different values, behaviors, languages, attitudes, and perceptions of the project participants from the different cultural backgrounds. These type of construction projects basically can be identified as cross-cultural construction projects due to the cultural differences of the project participants. Due to these cultural differences, many conflicts can occur among the project participants in these cross-cultural construction projects. Many disagreements, divergences, and mismatched thoughts can occur based on their cultural differences, and those can be normally identified as intra-group conflicts. And these cross-cultural projects are more vulnerable for the occurrence of these intra-group conflicts due to the different views, opinions, perceptions, and attitudes of the project participants. By reviewing the existing literature, we identified three main types of intra-group conflicts. They are task conflicts, relationship conflicts, and process conflicts. Task conflicts basically arise as a result of arguments among project team members about project activities being performed. And relationship conflicts arise based on the interpersonal relationships among project participants. And process conflicts arise as a result of arguments about how tasks should be conducted by the project team members. And existing literature revealed that there is a interrelationships between these three types of conflicts and have an adverse impact on the project success and its effectiveness. You can see in this figure the interrelationships between these three types of intergroup conflicts. And therefore, managing these intergroup conflicts has become a timely requirement to achieve the project goals in a successful manner. When considered about the management of these intergroup conflicts in cross-cultural construction projects, to a cultural perspective, different cultural indicators can be used. And reviewing existing literature, we identified that there are two main cultural indicators. They are cross-cultural dimensions and cross-cultural orientations. When moving to the cross-cultural dimensions, we identified 8 main cross-cultural dimensions which can be used to manage these intergroup conflicts in a proper manner. You can see these cross-cultural dimensions in this table with their references. These dimensions include communication, leadership, trust, collectivism, team selection, uncertainty, team development, and management. For the better application of these cross-cultural dimensions, literature revealed that cross-cultural orientations can be used. Accordingly, we identified different cross-cultural orientations under each cross-cultural dimension to manage these intergroup conflicts in a proper manner. You can see these cross-cultural orientations of each dimension with their references in this table. I'll take one example. When we apply communication as a cross-cultural dimension to manage intergroup conflicts, we can use different cross-cultural orientations such as emotional dependence, empathy, team effectiveness, and effective use of language for the better application of communication. In this context, we can apply more effectively these cross-cultural dimensions with the use of cross-cultural orientations. Other dimensions also can be applied in the same manner. Finally, including all the findings, we developed a conceptual framework for managing the intergroup conflicts in cross-cultural construction projects. The first box, you can see the main reason for the occurrence of these intergroup conflicts. Different views, opinions, perceptions, and beliefs of the project participants, which are immersed to their cultural backgrounds, was identified as the main reason for the occurrence of intergroup conflicts among project participants in cross-cultural construction projects. And in the circle, you can see there are three types of intergroup conflicts in these construction projects. And green color arrows shows the interrelationships between these three types of intergroup conflicts which highly affect for the occurrence of these conflicts. And finally, we identified the ways to manage these intergroup conflicts through a cultural perspective, and we identified it can be done through a cultural indicators which are cross-cultural dimensions and cross-cultural orientations. Accordingly, we identified 8 main cross-cultural dimensions and several cross-cultural orientations under each dimension for the better application of these cross-cultural dimensions. When moving to the conclusion, presently foreign participation for the construction activities has become more popular all over the world, and it encouraged the multiculturalism within these construction projects, resulting in different intergroup conflicts among the project participants. We identified in the literature three main types of intergroup conflicts. They are task conflict, relationship conflict, and process conflict. And prevailing literature revealed that managing these intergroup conflicts can be properly done through the application of cross-cultural indicators, which are cross-cultural dimensions and cross-cultural orientations. Accordingly, we identified through the literature 8 cross-cultural dimensions and cross-cultural orientations under each dimension for the better application of the cross-cultural dimension. Ultimately, mapping all these literal ideas, a conceptual framework was developed for the better understanding of how to manage these intragroup conflicts in multicultural construction projects through a cultural perspective. These are some references we used to conduct this study, and this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.